Hello? Oh, I should probably announce that I'm live on the Discord. That is one of the purposes of the Discord. One of the purposes of the Discord is to announce that I'm live on twitch.tv. You'll never guess what's happening right now. And then we'll just copy that over. And then we'll just tag the people that need to be tagged. Hello. Hi. Is he live? I don't know. I just named a kitten after you. What do you mean? Well, that was a real zoom up of my hand there. Do you see that? Hold on, wait. Is it going to focus? Did you ever want to see my hand close up? Hi. Palm reading stream. Let's go. Guys, I have an injury to report. Lego is not all fun and games. I've been hurt by the Lego piece. That was yesterday. I didn't notice until after stream. Ow! Ow, I'm being so brave right now. Ow! Ow! Should have known that was you. Should have known that was you. Could always tell who it is off the TTS streams. TTS streams? You fox, you. The crafting table's dangerous. Speaking of which, it's just there. It's right there. It's just there. I think it can be pushed over a little bit so it can be seen more, but still, it's there. I was not expecting to do a close-up of a thumb. Well, that's where you went wrong. How are you all? Revamp the shelf. Yeah. Hello. Hello, good streams. Hello. How's it going? That's such a vivid, this is the most vivid yellow I've ever seen. That's crazy. That's like when you dragged it to the far corner, didn't you? You went, I'm going to cook up a yellow right now. And you got the box and you went hard drag into the corner. Good to see you. Thanks for dropping in. That's always good colors. The best colors are right in the corners. Lemon color. It's a good lemon color. Met a former classmate today. We had a nice talk. That's nice. That's quite lovely, isn't it? I've watched you 80 times in a row. That's crazy. Settle down. Settle down. I have a confession. I've been making a game. Cut that out. Stop that. I've been making a game. A mini game. I've been cooking it up. I've been cooking it up for the past 6 months, actually. He made it a game. I've been cooking up for the past 6 months, and it's early happy B-Day D. Early happy B-Day D. I made it in a data pack, and it was originally going to be as big of a launch as Rat Hunt. It was going to be like one of our standalone data packs situation, right? Just to really kind of put on the scale of what we're talking about here. And that's fine. However, some stuff happened where I couldn't make the map in time. So I'm using I'm using the Lego remover like it's a tech deck. Yo, oh bro, that's sick. Do a kickflip. I'm gonna do a pop shove it. I need to do it on like a flat surface so you know it's not just me chucking the phone up or something. Oh, hold on, I can do it. I used to do tech decks all the time. I said, oh, whoa, it's a manual. Oh, maybe if this is the back.
Do a backflip PLS.
There you go, there's a pop shove it. Do a backflip. Here I go. Oh, it was blurry, but it happened. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Couldn't get the map done because it was like a small map, but it was quite detailed. And then it got put on the back burner. The game relied on being able to know what item, what block you've left or right clicked, which is quite a difficult thing to do in data packs. And I was really pushing the extent of what I knew about data packs to the utmost limit with this, right? And then 1.20.5 started being released. and I'm back from break now. Welcome back. And they made left and right detection. You can now detect when somebody left and right clicks via an advancement, and I'm pretty certain you can detect what they left and right clicked. So completely undid a lot of the work that I put into it. It was very, very sad. It's a bit silly, really. At the same time, I also started to learn how to do plugins, and plugins have always been able to detect what you've been able to left and right click. So at this point, there's no point really me going back to do the data pack. And that also means there's no point in me making this like a big thing where it's like, it's a big game like Rat Hunt with its own map. It's just going to be a small mini game like Void Rising, like Bulldog. We'll probably make a dedicated map to it when our build team gets a moment. Right now, they're working on something a lot bigger, and we can't do that right now. We can't spare the hours. We're focusing on one thing at a time. But eventually, when they have a bit of spare time, they will. And in case you're wondering what it is, allow me to show you. And I started working on this before I took part in the Nightmares game, okay? I promise you. I know how this looks. I promise you.
I can't believe Twitch rivals
I
stole
can't
your
believe
game
it.
mode
Literally, they were like, it's prop hunt, and I was like, oh my gosh, oh dear, this is literally, but mine's different because it's not models from the game like candles and stuff. It's actual things inside of the game like grass and flowers and stuff. And I also, I don't mean this in a mean way, I took everything that went wrong about the prop hunt that we played in the Twitch Rivals and I made sure to fix it for mine. So, that was good to have. I went back and was like, okay, add that. People don't like it when that happens. It's not finished. People must see your code going mine. I'm telling you, it must be it. In the actual game, in the Twitch Rivals one, you press like offhand to like solidify. They called it solidifying, and then you press F to lock your rotation. In mine, if you hold Shift, you snap to the block and you can look around. That's it. That feels a little more intuitive. Did you use the already existing morph mod? This is all plugin based. You could drop this into a vanilla server and it would work just fine. There we go. I'm now a wall torch. I can be on the wall. I light up the room. Any bugs have been found? Oh yeah, loads. I've got this thing is riddled with bugs.
Twitch Rivals was just good field research.
It really, really was. Couple of things. You might notice that the grass is a different colors. I don't know how to fix that yet. Other things. Oh. Interesting. All right, you can't be brewing stands. I might try and fix that. Other things you might notice. Particles. There's no particles in that one.
Hello. I hope everyone's doing good. Also all the comments like if I ever get to code something like this I should that and not that make a lot more sense now.
Oh yeah, for sure. I was giving you guys spoilers. There... Aha! Come here. You're going to get kicked for flying if you do that. That's another bug. Oh dear. Oh, I might in fact be in love with her. How dreadful, eh? Allow flying enabled. Okay. Oh dear. Let's restart that. Okay, you can rejoin now. You can rejoin. I have also made it so that scores get saved to a localized file. Yippee! So now we can like next week or so. I think Patreon. We're doing a Patreon event. What's your skin? This is just my normal casual skin. Seeing as the Twitch Rivals is over and as is SOS. Episode coming out either tomorrow or the day after, by the way. So where are you? Oh, are you invisible and small? Okay, I need to add that to the list of things I need to fix. People who relog after being props are invisible and small. Okay. Also, no hitboxes currently. That is quite a big problem, I'll be honest. If I turn into a hay bale, there is no hitbox. So I don't know if we'll be able to do this today, because that's quite a big thing that we need to be able to fix. But I'll try my best. So we're going to do some coding real quick. Let's begin. How have you guys been? Captions? Thank you. Yeah, there's quite a lot to fix, I'll be honest. Making dinner. Tan got redeemed. Thank you. Boop. Ravel, thank you for the 8 months.
Aloha,
to be not
cats. What's poppin'?
Unfortunately,
I'm liking
that
the
requires
threads.
doing the
Word
commission
on the
stuff
street
or
is
something.
that you're mellow like a cello and solid to boot, daddy-o. You come into the doo-wop hop tonight? Tubular. Catch you later, alligator.
Okay, maybe this whole career path has been a mistake. What happened there, man? Okay, when the game begins and there are hunters, choose hunters, make player hunter, and we move them all. We need to, for player in hunters, we want to player.teleport them to the game center. We want to player.teleport. No, we don't want to just keep teleporting them. Player.add potion effect. I want to give them a new potion effect. And the potion effect is going to be blindness. So let's do potion effect type dot blindness. Actually, better way of doing this. Why don't we just do this? Utility dot remove potion effects. No, give all potion effects. Okay, give a permanent potion effect. Give permanent potion effect, and then we will give them blindness. What's wrong with that? Why don't they like that? Oh, I need to give the player. Player, give them blindness. What's wrong with that? Found two. What is it? Player. Oh, the amplification. Okay. Oh, fair enough, I suppose. Thank you much for the 1 year, Zenix. Dang. Thank you, thank you.
No way, it's been a year since
It has,
I've
it
been
has.
in this amazing
It really,
community.
really has. I promise you. I promise you it has. What just happened there? Oh. Stevie got... Okay. I was like, Ravel? Is Ravel just like turned evil? What's happening? Ravel's just like going crazy. We didn't laugh at Ravel's jokes. Ravel's just like, all of these people, bap, 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 bap. 90 minutes. They can't stop us all. One of my favorite moments for the Ludwig subathon was when all of the mods just started they wanted a completely silent chat. And so they just spammed one point of the screen, which was bringing up people's names and then timing them out. anytime anyone spoke, they just spammed that bit. It was really funny. It was very, very cool. Okay, so it gives them that when a player moves. So heard player move.
Remember this next time I tell a joke. Naima101 has gifted 1 sub.
Thank you very much, Nevara, for the gifted sub. Okay, if the current phase is equal to 1, aka we're in grace period, and the event dot get player is a hunter, so hunters dot contains this player. Actually, to give this less intensity on the code, let's break these up. If hunters contains the player, then we don't want them to move. So we do event dot set cancelled false. Oh, true. So if it's phase 1 and you're a hunter, you shouldn't be allowed to move because everybody's running and hiding. So that should fix that pretty seamlessly, to be honest. That was a lot more straightforward than I thought it would be. Number of hunters, great. Also, player court, is that a thing? Player court event, here we go. We want to do, here we are. We notify them that they got points, but do we actually give them points? Yes, we do. What about when a player gets 4 player in hiders? We should give them a little bit of points for surviving, right? So we should do main manager dot get player manager dot get player profile from name, and we should do player dot get name, and then we should increase their score by points for surviving. Pass them the priority counter, and then we should notify them that that happened. So then we should do notify, award small points. The player, we also need to make them a new component. Component. I'll just do component 1 equals text dot content. We need the name of the player that got caught. So hider dot get name plus has been caught by. That's not correct. Dot get name has been caught by. And then we will give the name of the catcher. Dot get name. And then we should specify a color. Dot content color. And then here we have to pass in the value of points award color. And then we just build it. Cool. And then we pass that to them. Component 1 should be fine. Oh, okay. I'm stupid. Sorry, hold on. I didn't need to do all that. I just need to pass in a string. That. What's wrong with that now? Well, what's the third argument? Oh, the amount of points. Okay, fair enough. You ain't stupid. Oh, thanks, Jessica. I appreciate that. Don't know why I said it like that. And then points for surviving. Surviving. Good. Let's do one more. If you're the last player standing, you should get some extra points, I think. So, let's say if that'll do fine. And then what we'll do is we'll say if hiders dot size is now equal to 1. That means there's only one player remaining who is a hider. In which case, main manager dot get player manager dot get player profile from name will pass in the name of the player who's remaining. And then we will increase their score by points for last surviving. Sometimes I wonder whether... Oh, why is that a problem? I don't need to actually do that anymore. I can just get rid of that. Okay. We don't need to do that either. We can just say hiders dot get the first player, and then we'll pass in a string saying you are the last hider alive. And then we'll say points for being the last surviving player. No idea if that'll break any of the code, but we'll give it a go. We're getting really close now, chat, to having like a proper, fully functioning system. The next stuff to do is really just to add the code that actually handles the tournament. And then we can do our own mini tournaments, and that'll be fun. It'll be like doing MCCs every day. Especially, I want to add more and more mini games to this. And then I want to have there be so many mini games that chat actually votes in the Twitch chat what they do. And then it goes into it. And it just like does it automatically. That would be sick. MCC people happy. I said your favorite word, Savage Lord. MCC, jingle, 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 the back rooms. Right, is Luan here? Yes, good. Sorry, hold on. This saxophone riff is like the nastiest thing that I found this year. Just give me a sec. Oh, dang, they let him cook. Sam Greenway, you legend. All right. Okay, so you're a hunter. Can you move? Nice, sick. You're locked into place. Oh, I forgot to remove the blindness from you, right? Yeah. Now, come punch me. Cool. Sick. And you got a point for that. You can see on the right-hand side. There's the point. Cool. All right, that mostly worked. Couple of things that might be a problem. I mean, you're never going to really play this with two players, are you? And if you do play it with two players, there's no point in one person getting the points for being the last player standing when they didn't do anything. So I think it's fine that they don't get given points unless there's like more than two players. So that's fine. We can leave that there. We do need to make sure that when we advance into the next phase, that all of the hunters get their vision back. So can I do like utility dot remove potion effects? Yes. And then I can pass in a player, but can I just pass in a list of players? Is that like a thing that I've got? Remove potion effects from all, and then I can pass in a list. So we'll just pass in the list of the hunters. There you go. No, it should be like a team vibe thing. Hunters win or props win sort of thing. Oh, whoa. That requires me to do team. That's like a whole different... Whoa. I'll get to that another day, maybe. One of the biggest things that we need to fix right now. I'm just saying, like, no focus on individual standings. This is fair. For what I'm planning on using this for, it will need to be individual standings and not, like, player-based. But I do want to add it so that it's rounds, so that in an event, it would divide the number of people there are by 4 and have, like, let's say we have 4 rounds. We would do... how am I trying to say this? Let's say you have 20 people and there's 4 rounds of the game. There's going to be 5 hunters in each round. That way, everybody gets a chance to be the hunter. That's what we learned from Twitch Rivals, which is very, very important. Because if you make it so that only some people get to be the hunter, it causes a lot of complications and people get very upset because they don't know which one's better to be, the hunter or not. And it gets into, it's bad. It's real bad. Boop, boop. I think my thing might have frozen. Hold on. Speaking of things, maybe a little bit. Never mind, it hadn't frozen. Okay. What is the minigame? Prop hunt. No, I want to be the hunter. There you go. Good. Dang, where'd she go? She must be really good at hiding. Dang, nah, I've actually lost her. Okay. Where did she go? I was doing it as a joke and I've like actually properly lost her. Hold on, I need to add that to the debug list. Make brewing stands not a transformable object. And also make fences not a transformable object. Probably for the best. No one wants to be a fence. Where's she gone? Why not brewing stands? Players can't right click them without opening them. And that like prioritizes in the code. I take offense to that. Nice. Good job. Where the heck did she go? Fence torch combo. All right. Well, I'll allow fences for the time being. I eventually want to make it so that when you become an item, you can click left click to cycle through the different variants of that item. So like if you're a fence, you can become a fence that's got like attachments to the side and stuff. Dang, I'm actually not gonna be able to find her. I can't believe that. Right, that's it. You're gonna have to come in eventually. And I'll be here waiting. What happens if I... Okay, you take damage from leaving the border. Good to know. I should have hit her when I had the chance. That's crazy out of context. What's up with the fire playlist today? This is just my normal playlist. I'll get you eventually, little tussle of grass or whatever you are. How? Yeah, the server is now 1.20.6, yeah. I'm astounded. How is she doing this? Is she like hidden somewhere where I can't get to? She's going to be somewhere where I can't get to. Oh my gosh. Wait. That's a good bit of testing. Can you come back again? I see you. Okay, stay there. Do you make bubbles? No. Stay still. Go back in there. Go back in there. No, you don't. Okay. Come out. Oh, that's odd. Huh. Okay, when a player is caught, they need to... When player is caught, their display block should be killed. She's got some cross states. I need to quickly check whether the system that I added of... Oh yeah, the server needs to restart real quick. Let's go just do that real quick. That was very well done. Very well done, Luan. Okay, that's going to restart. While we do that and wait for that to restart, I need to make it so player caught event needs to be here. And then we need to do hider. In fact, if they die at all, right? Make player hider. That's no. It's only if they get caught. You can't change a prop at this time, or whatever it says. Also, I can't change props. Can props breathe underwater? I believe so, yes. Also, I couldn't change props. It kept saying you can't change into a prop at this time. I'll check in a sec. Today I found out your code. Now you know. So, hider.get prop. Or more specifically, how do I get the player's prop? I'm going to have to make that a thing. Public void get prop from player. And it takes in a parameter of a player. And it goes for each prop in the prop list. If the prop player is equal to the past player, return the prop. Good. Oh, I need to specify it returns prop. Okay, cool. So now what I can do is get plop from player the hider, and then we're going to do kill prop. And we will go into here and we will make a new command called public void kill prop. And then all it will do is do block display that we have dot remove from the world. Sick. I think that'll do it fine. Cool. What's still broken? It says something's broken. Don't think so. What's broken? If I install it, maybe it'll tell me. It'll take me straight there. Ah. Oh, right. Pardon me. Okay, that should return the prop and stop it from just existing after it should be dead. Luann's a great person to have as a tester, because she does silly things that help me find things that should be definitely fixed. Miss my jammy dodges. I'm sorry, man. We ate them all. It's the cruel reality of the world. Past us are the worst. I finished them. Sorry, you ate them all. This is true. All of them. Oh dear. Let's do a reload here. And do a prop hunt. I'm now a hunter. Drat. I need Luann to join. Luann! What happens if I, as a hunter, hold shift? Nothing happens. Okay, cool. Ah! we go. Okay, so if I do this, do I get kicked if I fly now? Cool. I need to specify... Well, I guess you tested the other thing now, so thank you. I want to make it so that even if you are holding shift and you're floating through the air, hard player move. Here we are. Has changed position. Ah, I see. How do I make it so that a player just like doesn't fall? Can I make a player not affected by gravity? Event.getPlayer.isFlight. What? Oh, that returns a thing. Can I do like set flying? Oh, that's sick. Is that true? Is that possible? Hang on. Not being able to just shift lock. It is difficult to hold shift the whole time. Do I need to hold? Yeah, you need to change controls to hold shift. Yes, to toggle shift. All right, so I need to, if they're holding shift, can I like look for the word shift? Is that like a thing in props? Teleport to owner. Oh, it's here. Okay. If Luan, you're good. You're taking damage. Luan? Oh, you're just punching things. Okay. Okay, if a player starts shifting, I think I can do this in the listener. HUD player move. Okay, if the player is shifting, make them fly. I guess that works. If hiders doc contains event dot get player, if they are hider and they are not shifting, okay, then set their flying equal to false. I've never used this function before. I have no idea what it does. I can take a pretty solid guess, but we're going to find out together today right now. Okay, boop. So, hopefully I am good. Please don't hit me, Luan. So if I hold shift normally, nothing happens. Cool. If I turn into a prop and I hold shift, not everything works. Oh no, that's not good. Things are happening. I'm able to leave my position. I'm off. That's not good. But what happens if I do this? Oh, drat, no. That's not worked at all. What if I do this the other way around? Freedom. Is there anything in the console that's yelling at me? Oh, there is. There's a lot. Yeah. What's up? Illegal argument exception. Player is not allowed to fly. But I want to let them fly. How do we... Okay, I'll say. Event.getPlayer.allow set allow fly equal to true. So what I now need to do is in the main manager, I need to specify when any player joins ever, when we do our back to lobby situation, we need to make everybody not allowed to fly, I think. Utility dot disallow flying. And that will take an array list, which we can say is just world.getPlayers. Just cleaning up after myself, basically. Public static void disallow fly. Me when this insect is being really noisy and I don't pronounce my D's unless at the beginning of a word. Okay, anyway, this needs to take an array list of players. Players. Don't laugh at that. Don't. It's not. It's really not. It's not okay that you think that's funny. Player in players. Player dot set allow flight equal to false. Good. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? It's right there. Disallow fly. Oh, flying. Let's just call it flight. I didn't understand a single word you said. Good. That's probably for the best. Well, what's wrong with that now? Okay, well, we provided a list. Sorry. Well, you can call it a list then. All right, let's see what that's done to the code. At the very least, by the way, we'll do the other 3 games today, even if we don't manage to get this to work. But I think we'll be able to get it to a rough position that we can... Oh. Dang it. Okay. Sorry, it's fine. It's fine. You scared me. All right, let's reload. It was jump scare. What, the dandelion jumping up at you was terrifying, was it? Okay, so if I do this, if I hold shift, good. Okay, it now doesn't let me move. That's perfect. And what if I do this? Not quite. Would you be able to show the game on a different stream, or do you not want anyone to see it until it's done and out? What do you mean? Show it on a different stream? This isn't working, by the way. I need to figure out a new way of doing, like, freezing a player in place, because I think that's just really weird if I do that. Can you stop pushing me, please? I'm trying to test something. Please, please, please. The testing? I mean, I prefer just my stream in general not to be shown to it. That's what I was worried about happening. I'm late, so I have no clue. No, it wasn't Grove. It wasn't. I made this before them. I just didn't make it public. So they're allowed to fly. But why does that then not work? The gameplay from a player's perspective? Probably not. I'm not entirely sure I know what you mean, but all the same, just to be safe, it's probably best if I say no. Hard player move. Inspired by Mindplex Block Hunt. Ah, you got me. You got me. I love that game. Alright, well, this is just a bit silly now. So I'm going to remove all of what we just did because we're getting sidetracked. Maybe I'll make it so you can't float in the air, but that feels like a shame, you know? The main thing we need to focus on right now, the biggest problem, is that there is no hitbox if you are a block. If I do this, if I do that, someone can walk through me. By the way, Luan, I don't know what you did that made it mean that you can't transform into things, but I can transform into stuff. Like loads of different stuff. So, how I would do this is spawn a silent shulker, which is invisible, at my player spot. When you started moving in the border. Fair enough. So I need to figure out how to do that. How to make block hitbox in plugin in paper API. Display entities. Okay, we're going to learn together here. Entities are a powerful way to display various things. You can do text, blocks, and items. You can give them transformation and scale, rotation and translation. You can do interpolation. I'm going to search for the word hitbox. By default, these entities have no hitbox, don't move, they make sounds or take damage. Okay, cool. But paper Minecraft API, how to give a display entity a hitbox. Collision box, I guess, is a better word for it. Entities with collision box and or light effect. Invisible collision box. So why don't we try that as a word? Yeah, I know they can't. I'm trying to give them it. You would need to use a different entity. Yeah, last time I made this, I did it in a data pack and I used shulkers, but I don't want to bother doing that. I'm just double checking if paper has a way to create invisible hitboxes, like invisible collision boxes, but I don't know if they do. I'm basically just making sure that I'm not being stupid before I do the rudimentary way that I think this needs to be done. I don't think so. How to make invisible collision boxes, paper, Minecraft. I'm just going to double check, just my own. Barrier blocks. Create a custom collision box. It's not possible. I know, Dio. I know. Isn't it great of me? Fine, I'll use shulker boxes. Okay. This is going to be an interesting one. I'm doing this live. It's good. You never know. You never know. So, we're going to make a new field called entity. Import that. And it's going to be called shulker. We'll make this equal to null to begin with. So.
Holy cow, that's 1, 2, 3, that's many months.
That's so many months. Thank you, Starsphobia, for the 10 months. I'm going to skulk those boxes. For real, for real. Okay, so. If the player is sneaking, we want to create new shulker. And that's going to be a method inside of this. What we're going to do is do shulker is equal to new entity. Can I do like... Hold on. How do you summon things again? I think it's with... I'm going to look up the word summon. Summon? Spawn? Dot summon? Dot spawn. Oh my gosh, it's going to be one of these keywords and I don't know what it is. I would specify it here. Boop. It's a method on world. I thought it might be. Main.spawn entity. That's it. Spawn entity. Okay, so we're gonna do. So we need a world. That's frustrating. I was kind of hoping that I wouldn't have to pass world into this at any point, but maybe I can get it from the player. Player.getWorld. Okay, I can. Spawn entity. And we're going to spawn it at our current location. We've already updated that in the code here. So I can just do the location of the block display. So block display.getLocation. Now I need to pass in the entity type. Entity type.shulker. Can I specify? I'm going to make a new static. Why aren't these all private? These should be all private. It's bad coding practice on my part. It was such a small class that I didn't think to. Private static entity type equals new entity type. New entity. No, I can't do that. I can't have it be a static thing. I'll have to just make one and then adjust it as I go. Okay, so entity type equals player.getWorld shulker. GetWorld.spawn entity. Spawn it at the block display and then make it the entity type of shulker. And now, can I give it no AI? How do I specify? Compare toString unlurk. Sorry, I was like reading things and I looked over at chat and said unlurk because I read it. What is this giving us? Okay, I need to specify that as an entity. Okay, cool. I need to quickly check how to spawn entity without AI in Paper Minecraft API. There's no reason to stay on an outdated version. Use entity hashtag set AI true to disable the odd. Okay. There was no entity.setAI method. Is because I was using the 1.8 API. I've used the 1.12 and it's all working fine now. Okay, fine. We'll try set AI. I don't think that'll work, but shulker.setAI. That's not it's not a thing. That doesn't exist. Is it like test equals entity type dot shulker, and then if I do test dot set AI, that's not a thing either. I'm going to look up set AI in the API. Paper man infected data creepers got TNT in them. True. It's going to be an immediate boop. There we go. Got it. You need a living entity or shulker instance specifically. Oh. All right. Well, then what I should say shulker. Can I do that? Yeah, you can import that, can't you? Go ahead. Import it. Okay. What's wrong with that? Can I cast this as a shulker? Yeah. Okay. And then if I do shulker.set AI. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm just going to quickly look that up in the API all the same. Paper API. I want to do set AI. Okay, sets whether the entity we made unmovable, unable to move if it has no AI. AI, whether the AI will have, so I should set it to false. Before we made it look like it was the other way around. That's really odd. So we've made that, and then we set it to that. Ra'ah. We can just say the shulker is equal to that, and then specify that this is a shulker. Cool. That should make it not make noise or do anything. Shulker.set. What else can I do? Collidable. Okay, cool. Interesting. Gliding, gravity, invulnerable. True. Shulker.set. What else can I do?
15 months, that's
Love you, thank you
crazy.
to the 15 months. That is crazy, you're right. Thank you, thank you. I can make it up. Okay, phew, that's good. Okay, sick. So if I press shift, that should happen. And if I'm not shifting, if was sneaking, then shulker.remove. Sick. Let's try that out. It's definitely going to be broken in some way, but I'm excited to see in what way it is broken. And if that ain't coding to a T, I don't know what is. Okay, so it's very obvious. Let's... Thank you much for the anonymous gifted. Much appreciated.
An anonymous user gifted a tier 1 subscription to Owen Jujusevd.
Thank you. Owen, wait, you gave it to my alt? Sick. Wait, that worked. Hang on. Luan. Come jump on the shulker. Oh, sick. Nice. Cool. Couple of other things that I've just noticed. We need to make it so that all of the hiders, you cannot punch the hunters. We need to make it so that all the hiders don't have collision. And I think that's now possible based off of what I just saw. So let's quickly fix that. Let's go to back to lobby. Let's have that be a utility. Public static void remove collision. It's going to take a list of players. And then for player in players, player dot set collision, collidable equal to false. And then what we can do is, rather than saying remove and add, why don't we just say set all collision? And then specify Boolean collide. Same for this as well. We could easily do it here as well. Although we don't actually need this anymore. We can remove that. Oh, whoops. I spelled that wrong. Cool-eyed. Okay. When we enter the first phase... Hold on. I actually need more. I actually need more of that. Of Louison. I didn't realize. Until I heard it. Okay. When we get put into a game inside of prop hunt, utility dot set all collision, hiders false. Okay. Utility dot set collision world dot get players true. Sick. You can now no longer bump into props to check if they are props or not. Otherwise, that would be a little bit unfair. Let's make the shulker invisible. I wonder if I can just do that by being like shulker dot set visible. Visible by default, false. That's cool if that works. And then finally, we only want to turn them into a shulker if block display. I'm just going to say if for the time being. Oh, sorry, hold on. This one here. We only want them to turn into shulkers if the block that they are should have a hitbox. Which is why they can't be fences, because fences are invisible. They're like ethereal, chat. And there's no hitbox that's a fence big. Do you know what I mean? So we'd have to remove fences. We'd have to remove anything that has a normal hitbox. Or that are not a normal hitbox, I mean. Private block blocks. I can't believe that's what I'm calling that. It's going to be a list of materials. And it's going to be called block blocks. Equals new array list of materials. Set that to an array list. Block blocks. Can I just set this equal to block? I mean, it block blocks, so it works very well. True. Public void set block blocks. And then what we will do is we can actually return an array list, which is a type of material. And then we can set this equal to set block blocks. And then we will make a new one. Array list of materials. List to return equals new array list. God, it's a lot of work to do something very small, isn't it? Okay, and now list to return dot add, and then we add in a material. What if you need to block the block blocks? Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Whoopsie daisy. Return list to return. I need a list of all of the blocks that can be, and then I need to remove all the ones that don't have. This is all of them, by the way. So anything that has a fence, I'm afraid, has got to go. Same for fence gates. I'm very sorry. I know you wanted to be fences, but alas.
It's been so long, my friend. Wow, 35 months
What
is in fact way too long to have not met. I'm on my way over right.
Oh, phew,
now.
good.
That's a lie.
Oh. Okay. Well. That's happened now. Thank you very much for the tier 2 at 35 months. Sheesh. I can't now, but Sam is in bed. Just get down here and then get back up before he wakes up. There can't be any walls, I'm afraid. Walls are off the table. I'm looking for any more fences. Nice, good. Sounds good. Deal. Okay, chat. Let's go through this one at a time. Signs, pressure plates, saplings, signs, and signs are all fine. Activator rails, any flower, that's fine. Amethyst cluster is not fine. Should we allow them to be props that can't have a hitbox? If they have the knowledge that they are getting themselves in for a problem, like a situation, I feel like we just shouldn't allow it, like a blanket thing. Because if someone chooses to be an amethyst cluster, and then someone walks through them and then kills them because they see that they walked through them, they're going to be like, well, why did I get to be an amethyst cluster? And then it's going to be my fault. So I think that anvil, I don't think they can be an anvil. I don't think they can be bamboo either. Dang, this takes off a lot. They can be a beacon and a barrel and a bee nest and a beehive. They can't be a bell. They can't be a big drip leaf because they'll stand on them and realize that they can't, it doesn't work. They technically can't even be candles, which feels like a shame, personally. But they can be a blast furnace. They can be a bookshelf. They can't be a brewing stand. They can't be a wall. They can't be a cactus or a cake or a campfire. They technically could be a cauldron. So I'm going to allow that. They could be a chest, although if someone tries to right-click on the chest to open it, they're going to find out pretty quickly that they're not a chest. But I suppose that's the same for everything. I might just make it so that the hunters can't right-click on things. I might just try and do that. Cobweb, I don't think they're going to be able to be. Cacao, I don't think they can be. They can be a comparator. They can't. No, sorry. They can be a. Yeah, that's fine. They can be a copper bulb. They can be a crafter and a crafting table. I don't think they can be creeper heads. They can't be a damaged anvil. They can't be a daylight detector. Or a decorated pot. Or a wall. Okay, what else? They can't be a dragon head or a dragon head on the wall. They can't be an enchanting table or an end rod. They can't be a flower pot. Why no candles? Their hitboxes are too small and there's nothing that is as big as a candle. So if they're a candle, a hunter can just walk over the candle and be like, that candle doesn't have a hitbox. That's clearly a prop. And that feels a little unfair. You cannot be a cake. Why does this feel like the... Chat, tell me what you're bringing into Dreamland and I'll tell you whether you can or not. Why is it giving that? No candles. I'll allow hoppers. A key lime pie. We're not doing... I was about to start doing it and then I was like, no, I can't because I have to put my attention towards this. They can't be a ladder or a lantern or a large amethyst bud. I don't think they can be anything that's too tall. So they can't be a large fern or a lectern or... Oh, they can be a lever. That's fine. They can't be candles. They can't be a lightning rod. They can't be a lily pad. They can't be a lime candle. No, 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 no. Note block, that's fine. All the oak stuff, that's fine. Can't be an orange candle. Could be a... There can't be a painting, that's ridiculous. Can't be a piglin head. Can't be a pitcher plant, they're too big. Can't be a player head. Can't be a pointed dripstone. Oh, they can't be anything that's potted. So get rid of all of that. They can't be a wall or a candle. There's a lot that's being removed, huh? I worry that they won't be able to... Maybe we should let them just be grass blocks and stuff. But then that just feels a bit silly, really, doesn't it? Because then you could just blend into the... Why would you be a sign or a can? Why would you be like a flower or something when you could just be one of the grass blocks of the environment? Can I be an item frame? Technically, yes. But it's an entity, so... Actually, also, no. Sorry. Respawn anchor's fine. Rosebush is too tall. Can't be a scaffolding. They can't be a skulk catalyst. Oh, wait, yes, they can. They can't be a skulk sensor or a shrieker. They can't be a sea lantern. Oh, yes, they can. They can't be a sea pickle. They can't be a skeleton. Or a small amethyst bud. Or a soul campfire. I'll let them be a spore blossom. That's fun. That's silly. Almost there. I'll let them be sugarcane. Can't be a stone cut, I'm afraid. Can't be a sunflower. Can't be a sweet berry bush. How sad. There's a lot of individual things. We're almost at the bottom, though. Can't be tall grass. Can't be a torch flower. Can't be a wall. Can't be a turtle egg. Can't be twisting vines. Can't be a vine at all. Can't be weeping vines. White candle, nope. White tulip, that's fine. Can't be a wither rose, although I'll allow them to be a wither rose. We'll just make wither roses not mean. Technically, they shouldn't be able to be pressure plates, but I suppose, like, I'm going to make it so that buttons are allowed because we're going to make it so that the hunters can't right-click. Pressure plates will be allowed because if you're a pressure plate, you should know not to be stood on. If you become TNT and sit next to a redstone torch, nothing, I'm afraid. Zombie head. Okay. Now, out of all of these, we now take all of this. That's a lot of stuff. And we scroll down to here in prop. And we do, where is it? Here. And then instead of doing prop blocks, we change the word prop blocks to be lists to return. And we'll just, technically, I think that's fine. There shouldn't be any outside of that. Boop. Is the flower block hitbox different from the candle hitbox? Flowers don't have a hitbox. Well, they do have a hitbox. They don't have a collision box. I'm using IntelliJ. I'm using Java in IntelliJ. Now we just remove all of these guys. Bum ba dum ba da ba dum. Bum ba dum ba dum ba dum. Okay, let's get rid of all these and all of this. Is there a way to delete a whole line in IntelliJ? Because I'm going to need that in a sec, probably. Maybe like shift delete. Okay, we're on to C. To select a line in VS Code at least, no clue. Fair enough. Thank you for the heads up. Good to know. Okay, we're on to B's and then the A's. And there we go. Now we want to remove everything that isn't a full block. For a second set of hitbox, this width is, unfortunately, it's not only has to have a hitbox. It's not so much the hitbox, it's the collision box. So a C pickle has a collision box about this big. So when a player steps onto it, they go up visibly and you can't stand on mobs. And I can't make, there's no like invisible entity I can use to make this work. Unless I made candles. Well, the problem is it needs to also not be... without a mod, it's almost impossible. This is like the best we can do, really. So, everything acacia, that's gone. Bamboo, that's all gone. Barrel, that's fine. Beacon, bee nest, and beehive are all fine. Anything birch there, that's gone. Bookshelf is fine. Cartography table and carved pumpkin and cauldron. Anything cherry is gone. Chest and chiseled bookshelf are fine. Comparator, nope. Composter, not a cornflower. Nothing crimson. Not a dandelion or anything dark oak. Or the dead bush. Or the detector rail. Not the fern. The flowering azalea, actually, yes, surprisingly. Why did we get rid of the flowers? The flowers also don't have a hitbox. Nothing is safe. Hopper, jack-o'-lantern, jukebox, those are all fine. Jungle, nope. Lever, and none of those. Nothing to do with the mangrove. Nothing to do with the oak. Observers are fine. Orange tulips, all of these flowers are gone. This poppy, that powered rail is gone. That rail. Redstone lamp, that's fine. The torch isn't. Neither is a repeater. Scott catalyst is fine. Short grass is not. Neither is the short thingy there. Soul torches aren't okay. Spore blossoms and anything spruce aren't. Stone buttons and sugarcane, that's not okay. Torch and tripwire hook, that's not fine. A wall torch and anything warped. And then the wheat and the white tulip. These are all of the blocks that they can turn into. These are all of the props that they can turn into that are also blocks. So if they shift while they are one of these things, we should spawn a shulker, make it invisible, give it no AI, and put it where their player model is. That way, when they are stood on, it'll work. So what I need to do here is, there's a problem somewhere in this code. There it is. If blocks contains block display dot get material. Is that not a thing? Get block dot get material. There you go. Create new. Good. Let's give that a go. I am surprised. I'm going to be surprised if that works. But we'll give it a go anyway. And then it should pretty much be done for you guys to be able to jump in, to be honest. Of course, testing this from my POV is going to be impossible because the hunt is going to be able to know what I am by watching the stream. But I guess I'll just have to trust that they won't. Otherwise, that's not very fun. Okay. Start prop hunt. No. Good. No. No. There. Okay, so I turn into grass. I hold shift. Nothing happens. Yippee. I turn into torch. I sit on the wall. Nothing happens. Good. Hold on. Let me line myself up. Does that not line yourself up properly if you're in the air? Is that not snapping me to the grid? That is not snapping me to the grid. Let me double check that I haven't broken something. Oh, whoa. Yeah. That's brokey. What line? Because dot shulker remove. It's the shulker remove button. Where is it? Okay. Teleport to player. If I was sneaking, shulker dot remove. But okay. If I was
Owen,
sneaking,
do you give hunters blindness in the first few minutes?
Yes, I do. If shulker is not equal to null, then remove it. Because they are not sneaking. That's what we should do. Okay, let's try that out again. Okay, let's try and roll those dice and get... No. 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 That's 4 heads in a row, by the way. That's the equivalent of flipping a coin and getting 4 heads in a row. Which is stupid. Cool, that snaps. That snaps. That snaps. That snaps. Let's try something that has... Boop. Does that work? Luan, Luan! Stand. Yeah! Oh, that's so sick. Oh, that works perfectly. Oh, man. Oh, I'm so pleased. Okay, now let's have mini game over. I want to set that in prop hunt. That's like seamless, man. I didn't expect that to work as well as it does. Game over. I reckon we're almost ready to have you guys come in, to be honest. Okay. Boop. Minigame game over. Game. I'm going to type in the word should, because I think I only used that once. Oh. What? Player caught. No? Game over. I thought I had... Oh, I'm in the wrong blooming file. I'm stupid. So it's not seamless for hunters, just FYI. Oh. Okay, I'll come look in a second. Mini game. Game over. There. If hiders dot size is greater than or equal to 1, send message to all players. Utility dot send message to all players. Oh my gosh, please send message to all players. Text. The hiders have 1. And then we will specify a list of them. We'll do main manager.getWorld. Else, send the exact same message again. Bye, Laura. See you in an hour. The hunters have 1. And we'll also, you know what? We'll decorate this. I think that's it. All right, let's see what was broken. If it causes them to like jitter a bunch, I'm gonna be really upset. Of course, now I can't get the blooming. There we go. Off you go. Run and hide. And by that I mean please turn into a hay block so that I can jump. So stupid. Oh. Okay. That's what happens if you hold shift on a path block. Good to know. Path block bug. Why? Why? Is it because it's not visible? Let me set it to be visible. Dang it. Hide this. Create a new shulker. Set visible by default. There. Okay, instead we'll do utility dot give. We'll do shulker dot give add potion effect. And then we're going to do new potion effect. Potion effect type dot invisible. And then we'll specify... What? That's not how that works. Sorry, chat. Give me a sec. This is what I want. We'll just try that and see if that works. Okay, and then we'll go here and we'll say potion effect type dot invisibility, and we'll set it to 1. Okay, there, we give it invisibility. Maybe that'll do the same thing, we'll see. Maybe if it's not showing by default, the client side doesn't render it in. And so then when you step on it, it's like, well, that doesn't exist. But the game's telling me that you should be one block higher. So it like jitters you up. Okay. Let's try that again. It's 2 days before the sub one. Whoa. You should just give it. You should just not like show it until... It's whenever the alert comes through, so it'll still count. There you go. Wait, what? Yeah, back up. Stop doing that. Stop it. Stop. Be serious. Be serious. Be serious. Be serious. Be serious. Stand on the grass. Oh, the shulker. Oh, the shulker stops them from being able to be hit. I have an idea. What are you doing there, by the way? You're like spamming it? Okay. Fair enough. New idea. I've got something. Firstly, I don't like that flickering thing that's happening. It insta-kills the shulker type thing. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to do a couple of tests real quick. So firstly, location shulker spawn equals player block display. No, player is a thing that we own. We have a player. Player dot get world dot get. No. Player dot. Oh, I need to know the game center. I suppose I don't need it. Okay, hang on. Block display dot get location, and then we're gonna do shulker spawn dot set y equal to like 300. We're gonna spawn the shulker way up above. Shulker spawn. We're gonna give it invisibility. Give all of it the things it needs, and then we're gonna teleport it back down to where it should be. That fixes one problem. Second problem. I need to know when a shulker has been hit. And for future context, I'm going to need get shulker. Return shulker. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Entity damaged by herd entity damage by entity. Okay, real quick, I'm going to, if the thing that got hit is an instance of a shulker, yell at me, is what I'm going to say for the time being. Utility dot send message to all admins, text, and then we'll just pass in the world. Okay, there's hope. There's hope at the end of the tunnel. That's not the saying. There's light at the end of the tunnel. There's hope in the situation. Okay, go. Oh wait, that is me. I should go. Okay, now if I spam this... Ah, what? Okay. Please hit. Okay. Did I even else? Hold on, I need to do this. Text event dot get entity dot get name. That'll do it. That'll help me. Okay, there's a chance that I can still make this work. Okay, drag that over. Hello, LeBeau. Okay, I don't like that it does that, but I can't fix it, it seems. Be a Malafor? Yes. Okay, please hit. Is the code even updating? That doesn't even look like it's updated. Why is it saying Luan? What happened to you, Luan? Did you get damaged by something? Oh, I see. This sounds like the issue is I bet the console's going to tell me something's gone wrong. Yeah, the console's been yelling at me and I haven't been paying attention. So let's paste it into ChatGPT and see what the problem is. The error message you provided indicates two distinct issues. Yeah, JSON stuff. Yeah, I don't care about the JSON thing. The second issue is a number format exception that occurs because the string is null. It is being passed as an integer. Oh, that sounds like that's more something to do with the scores situation. We won't get to that just yet. All right, let's try this again. I need you to run and become a hay bale, please. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, so something's going wrong. It's not even triggering the code. Let's see what's happening. Oh. Good to know. Am I not an admin? Why is it not doing this? I'm an admin, aren't I? I'm opt. Yeah, I am opt. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this. Okay, new plan. Event.getEntity. Oh, it's not even counting as an entity being damaged because it's invulnerable. Because the shulker is invulnerable, so it can't be damaged. Yeah, you got there just as I did. Add it to the list. I think I do have a list of them. I will add it. I will add it. Okay. This is fine. New situation. We are going to make a new listener. On player, it's going to be called event handler public void on player entity interact. I believe this is a thing. Player interact entity event. There you go. Perfect. So other way around. So if a game is currently being played, herd player interact entity. Good. Now the minigame class is going to have, should have many of these already. Yeah. Herd player interact entity. And then we will have player interact entity event. And now all of the minigames have to implement this method. Thank you for your patience in this, by the way. We will play some mini games soon. Your reward is mini games. Mini games. Okay, so now in Prop Hunt, when a player interacts with another entity, if the get event dot get I don't want to get right clicked. Oh, hang on. Is this not the correct thing? Player interact entity event entity. Represents an event that is called when a player right clicks an entity. Can I do like player hit entity? Player entity event. Block shear, hide, player show, player leash, player track, player untrack, player interact, entity event. Entity damage by entity event. I don't player interact at entity event. Target living entity. Called when an entity targets. I don't know what targeting means. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here and I'm going to copy this into Google, but change left click to right click to left click. Left clicks an entity paper. Detect when a player left clicks an entity. When a player left clicks an entity, he is actually hitting it. Therefore, by listening to entity damage by entity event, you can listen to when players left click an entity, unless they're invulnerable. And then someone's like, I think you mean player interact of entity event. And they go, that is only fired upon right clicks. I need left clicks. Pre-player attack entity. Is this a thing? Pre-player attack entity event. Hold on. Pre-player. Oh. Called when the player tries to attack an entity. This occurs before any of the damage logic, so cancelling this will prevent any sort of sounds from being played when attacking. This event will fire as cancelled for certain entities. This might be it. Sorry, Olive. Almost there. Okay, let's see if we can implement that. We'll keep this method in anyway. We might need it in the future. Okay, so go back to the main listener, and we're gonna have event handler public void on pre-player attack entity. That's such a specific thing. Import that, please. HUD pre-player attack entity. And now we go into minigame. And we do public abstract void HUD pre-player attack entity. Specify it again. You know what? Maybe paper's all right. Pandia, I really appreciate you pointing me in the direction of paper. I'm so sorry that I was like, well, I don't like paper. I want to do blah, 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 blah. It's actually way, way better. Dang, I would not be able to do any of the stuff that I want to do as easily as I can if it wasn't for paper. Okay, we've got to go through here now and implement all of these. Okay. Here we go. Can if event dot get attacked. Oh my gosh, it's a thing. And what does that return? It returns an entity. So I can do, if it's an instance of, if it's an instance of a shulker, send utility dot send message to all admins. Text saying, main manager dot get world else. Say nope. This has to work. Boom, 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 boom. If it does, then we're pretty much ready to play. Could you please go and become a hay bale, Luan? Thank you. Wait, you said we were just waiting, watching no matter what you're doing. Like, I don't know how to code, but I like community, so I just vibe and pretend like I'm locked in and coding. I don't know. I don't care what's being streamed. Oh, thanks, Olive. I appreciate that. I need to be able to stand on you, please. Okay. Yes! Okay. So, if they've hit a shulker, it means that they have hit technically a disguised player. I'm just a bit of a horse. I'm on the hay. Okay, so I'm going to for prop in props. If the shulker that you can get from the prop is equal to the entity that just got attacked, that means you have successfully hit a player, which means you've technically caught them. Player caught event. In which case, event or prop dot get player. That's the hider that just got caught. And then event dot get player. That's the player that just attacked. Done. That should be it. We check if the player who is a catcher hit... Oh, I need to specify that they're a catcher. Hang on. If... Let me put this back real quick. Thank you. One moment. Mau Mau. Oh, Mau Mau. If the player... Hunters. If the hunters contains the player that just attacked, that means it was a hunter that just hit someone. If the thing that they hit... Oh, no, not get attacked. Dot get player. If the thing that they just hit is a shulker, go through all of the props, and as soon as you find the prop that has a shulker equal to the shulker that just got attacked, make the player that's associated with that shulker a hunter, because they just got caught. That's pretty clever, right? Surely you send that through again. Oh, that was you. That wasn't you. That was you. I can't send that through again. I can only send through TTSs again. I'm so sorry. Here. Never mind. Hello. Unfortunately, even though I'm the streamer, I can't use my TTS if it's on cooldown, which feels a bit silly personally, but never mind. All right, Luan, one more try. Go turn into a hay bale. We cannot hear Brian. This is so sad. Yes, you can. Can't you? Wait, what? Can you not? This entire time, my desktop audio has been off. You haven't been able to not hear Brian. You've not been able to hear any sounds. This VOD is just going to be my voice. It was on earlier? Okay, well, thankfully, I guess something... Go ahead. You always make me doubt my code. Like, what direction are you looking that is having the block do that? How are you able to do that? You're looking down? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, here we go. Let's test this.
The annoyance I feel having to wait for my Prime sub to allow me to resub again, Mau Mau, but in an angry tone.
Thank you. There you go. Perfect. I didn't get the points then for catching you. Why not? Okay, please hit me. Love you just see. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about that. That's not being spoken about. You didn't get the point either. Okay, so the last player that gets hit doesn't get... You don't get a point. Pardon me. Okay.
Sometimes Dad lifts me onto his shoulders and I feel 10 feet tall. That's the truth and I ain't hiding anything, except for me knife I use for robbing elderly people. I love robbing elderly people. I won't stop. I'll never stop. It gives me a thrill nothing else does. I'll unalive before I stop. No elderly person is safe from me and me robbing knife.
Okay. Two things. Firstly, the player that got caught, when they get caught, get prop from player, kill prop. We also need to, if shulker is not equal to 0, then we need to remove their shulker. That'll stop the shulker from just floating in the middle of the space. Secondly, why is the player not getting points when they have caught someone? Player caught event. Make player cat hunter. That's fine. It's not saying you caught to the person, is it? Does it say that? The only way I can tell is if I play it myself. Please stay there. Okay, cool. I can't hit if I'm in grace period. Oh, you have to be a prop. Please become a prop. Please become a prop when you can. Please become a grass prop. Please become a piece of grass. Okay. Oh, were you saying that? Were you not like talking? Oh, I haven't been able to see anything you've been saying in chat. If you have been talking. Okay, please stand still. Thank you. Luan has been caught by Owen's use and is now a hunter. The hunters have won, but it doesn't say me. Okay, why not? You can't transform into a prop at this time. You can't transform into the fences anymore. It looked like you were trying to transform into a fence. Only things that aren't like, don't have hitboxes or are full hitboxes. Okay. Catcher.getName, increase their score, points for catching. It doesn't look like that's happening. Why not? This happens in how many spots? If you hit that, if you... Oh, why is this being so annoying? Okay, hold on. I got this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
What was the knife bit about?
If player hit and player hitting are both players, if player hit is a hider and player hitting is a hunter, check what prop player is by doing player event.getEntity. We know that it's a player. Check what prop player is. Where's that? That goes through all of the props and then it returns null. Fine. If prop is equal to null, hit cooldowns dot replace. That's fine. Play the player caught event and then run the second run triggerable. So that should be running fine. Utility.send message to all players, set message to all admins, text, testing 1. Main manager dot get world. Okay, cool. That's gonna be our first test. Then we'll run another one for here. If prop blocks contains, I don't know what I'm doing here, but fair enough. Second test. And then, so that's those, that's that. Player caught event. And it should absolutely, unequivocally be giving the person points. So much so that I'm going to say third test. Catcher.getName. Cool. Okay, a couple of different things are going to happen here. Let's see which one. Sorry, chat. This is making my brain come out my ears. Bop. Okay, if I punch a player who is not a prop, testing 1. But it didn't do anything. So something went wrong there. What does the console have to say about that? Oh, a lot. Return. Could not pass event. Entity damage by... Okay, I need to pass this to ChatGPT to see what the error is. The stack trace provides show you have two different errors. Do I? Or do I just have one and you just are being mean? Okay, the second error occurs in prop hunt when trying to kill prop on a prop object that is null. This is because get prop from player is returning null. Okay, fine. That makes sense, I suppose. So, where is that? Get prop from player is being returned where? Player caught event, player event.getEntity. Okay, let's try this again. Get prop from player. Player caught event here Okay. Wait, what? That's not right. Get prop from player. Oh, I see. Oh, it kills the prop. Right, so none of that is running. Okay. I think I can do this then. Hang on. Prop. Poo. Get prop from player hider. If prop is not equal to null, prop dot kill prop. All right. I think that'll fix it. Doo doop doop doo. Okay. Better. That's a lot better. Nothing else is happening, but... One moment. Ah, okay. Hang on. Update minigame scores. Why is that being called? That shouldn't be being called. Oh, it's in the game over area. All right, well, let's just not run the command right now. Do. Makes me want to give it another shot. Step into the fray. Step into the fray. Somebody needs to. We need more coders. Now I miss Obsidian mining streams. Could you become a prop, please, Luan? Thank you. I got a point. I think that did it. I think that fixed it. Cool, blimey. Okay, let's test that one more time, just for safety. Oh, man, that was horrible. I'll tell you what. Okay, don't turn into a prop this time. That did not work. Sick. Oh my gosh. Okay, that works. I think we can play. I tell you what, that got intense. That got very upsetting. Okay, points for surviving. Let's say you get 1 point for surviving. You get 2 points if you catch someone, and you get 4 points if you're the last player standing. I think we're ready to drop people into the game. And I'm sure you'll find a multitude. It's pretty much on the hour, which is great. So, the IP is the same as before. The version is 1.20.6. The whitelist is off. I'm going to look for a village. Structure village. Let's do like a tiger village. TP over there. Can you guys try hitting the villagers? Okay, it's possible to hit villagers. I need to make that not a thing. Make players not able to hit entities in lobby. Okay, well now you've got the iron golems on you. Kill all entities of type iron golems. There's going to be a lot broken here. You have until I get back to log in, and then I'm going to close the whitelist off. I'll be back in a sec.
Knock knock, hello anyone in there? Hello, how is you chat? What are we up to today? I found my jacket I lost the other day. It was in Lost and Found of the train station, someone brought it there. Anyways, I'll leave my jacket here for now and sit in my corner.
Hello, Shadewolf Studios. I found my jacket I lost the other day. It was in Lost and Found at the train station. Someone bought it there. Anyways, I'll leave my jacket here for now and sit in my corner. Good, good. All right, whitelist is on. Let's get some different music up. No idea how this is if this is gonna work, but let's give it a go. Oh, there you go. 5 points? Oh, that is absolutely not the correct way round for that to happen. Redo! Okay, hang on a second. Points for surviving. Yeah, that's right? Points for surviving is 5. So why did it get set to... Why did it say I got 5 points? I'm not going crazy, right? First off, I need to get rid of this testing 1, testing 2 situation. That's crazy. Testing. Remove testing. Here, here, and third test can also be removed. Why did that say 5? That 5 doesn't even pop up. It's only used here. What was it saying for the hunters when you guys hit something? Did I not reload? I probably didn't reload, did I? That is almost certainly what happened. Okay. Server added Apakuna to the list. Oh, hello. That's amazing. You've like gone into the back end and added yourself to the whitelist. So I'll just opt you, mate. There you go. You don't have to be whitelisted if you opt. Okay. Wait. No. I didn't reload confirm. Okay, now we're good to go. I used IntelliJ. There you go, 1 point. And Nick got 2. Okay, sick. You're not a prop over there, by the way, Cyborg Koala. They'll never see me coming. Oh, yeah, there's somebody who was stream sniping. Unless you saw me you're gonna be like, I saw you transform. This game is unplayable for streamers. Like, this is not gonna be a mini game that I'm gonna be able to play. Holding a constant crouch may be unideal. Is there a way to toggle it? Yeah, you can toggle crouch. You can turn on toggle crouch. Let's see. Hiders should be able to taunt. How would I do that? Also, I need to make it so that hiders can break blocks really, or can do like /TP to take themselves back to where they could go before. I'll add that to the list. /stuck. Huh? What? Hang on, what? Why can't I punch things? Oh, I don't have the... I'll probably make the border smaller. I can't punch things. Can everybody else punch things? Who's a hunter? Jessica. Jessica, can you punch something, please? Could you punch this fern here? Wait. It didn't remove... I'm still a... Wait, punch me, Jessica. It's like it's like I've not been put on the hunters list. That's so odd. Well, this is very much still broken in like a big way. I'll make the world border smaller now. Hi, Luan. For some reason, that's so odd. It's like it's not registered me as a player for some reason. I'll double check the console, see if it's yelling at me. It might be yelling at me in a pretty big way. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, it's something's very much gone wrong. Specifically, the line at 394 in HUD player interact. That line? If hit cooldowns dot get event get player. What's wrong with that? Hit TPs him under it? Well, yeah, that's not intended behavior. What happened? Who won? The Hunters have won. Good job. Whoa, there's all the placements. We'll play some other mini games now that I've done enough coding. But for the time being, I'll just put you back in the lobby real quick. My soup. Okay, that was very broken. Good to know. Again? You want to get again? I don't know. I don't know if again would. I don't know if it works the first time. Let me fix this bug and then we'll play again. Okay, so null pointer exception in your log is caused by an attempt to invoke the int value on an integer object that is null. Specifically, this occurs at line 394 in the HUD player interact method of the prop hunt class. This implies that the hashmap.get object method returned null for a player key you expected it to return. To fix this issue, you need to check if the value retrieved from the hash map is null before you attempt to use it. Here's how you can do that. Okay. Okay, I think that's fine. I think I can try and do that. Basically, the code broke halfway through. I don't know how, but never mind. Maybe someone punched as someone hit. I don't know. Weird. Integer cooldown equals hit cooldowns.get event.get player. Else if hunters contain this player. Yeah, okay. So that might be null. And then we'll say if cooldown is not equal to null, then do the following thing. Let's see if that works. It's a shame because I want to play, but I can't share my screen without someone just coming over and hitting me because they can see what I'm doing on my screen. So there's like physically no way for me to be able to play prop hunt. It's the same reason why you can't play like hide and seek. Let's try a different map. Locate structure village. Let's do like a desert village. What? I don't think that will work. That won't work, Apo. Let me do a couple of fixes real quick. I'm going to make it so that the game only lasts 10 minutes. Here, let's add some quality of life stuff. Border game width, end of game border width, and we'll say it's like 20. And then we will say the game lasts 10 minutes. That's yeah, that's 600 seconds. I don't know why I'm checking that. 600 seconds. And then when we go into the next phase, when we go into phase 2, we will say main manager dot get world. We'll just get the world. Dot get world border dot set size. Is that in ticks? What is that in? Dot set size. Okay. And we'll do end of game border width and then the main phase time. Okay. I need to just double check what that method is. I can't see because my monitor's getting in the way. Set size for paper. Okay. Set world border dot set size. Long. Is that in seconds? Seconds. The time in seconds. Cool. No conversion needed. All good. Okay, now we can do it in the mangrove biome. Oh, I broke something. Copied and pasted something accidentally. Okay. Guess we'll try this out. This is so silly. I know that if anyone hits me, it means that they looked at my stream because there's no way you would come over here and hit me. The Shulk is just a little guy, isn't he? I need to run a command in the chat. Appa, can you turn the whitelist back on, please? It's already on. Thank you. Yeah, but if they hit me specifically immediately, that's a sign that they're watching stream. I notice that villagers always look at... Why was that not punching other... Oh, it's broken again. It's broken in a big way. Dang it, man. Why does this keep happening? Why can't my code just work? What the heck? That person's not even... What was that about? They weren't invisible. I was tiny for some reason. Yeah. Hello. It's doing that thing again where I'm like half a person, half not. Oh. That was just a random punch. That's crazy. I was just like punching absent-mindedly. Are you stream sniping? But it made me go underground. Oh, that's a shame. I need to fix that if they're standing on mud or path blocks or whatever. They can be in the water. Oh, of course there's a blooming water cave under here. Boop. I'm looking forward to playing the games at work. Who's left? There's one runner left. There's a couple of runners left. Oh! Moonlit got caught. What were you, Moonlit? Wait, hang on. What the heck? It was mangrove root? Oh, I need to get rid of mangrove root. Get rid of mangrove root. Okay, cool. Good testing, good testing. Muddy mangrove fruit. Prop sugarcane was a lot darker than the other. Might be the same. Yeah, it's the same situation as grass. It's unfixable. Alright. Surely there's only a couple of runners now. Wait, what? I already caught Potato King. Didn't I? I was a hunter? It's something to do with the fact that it's not making people hunters. Like the shulker isn't being removed or something? Odd. There's a lot of weird stuff happening. Let me check the console again. See what else has come up. Yep, a lot of stuff is coming up. I need to check for when the first error happens. Okay, we're going to run this one more time. And I'm going to stare at the console and wait for a bug to come up. Okay. How many players are there? Are they just invisible? Honestly, yeah, there comes a point where actually not being a prop and just blending in with everybody running around. The Curly Crew is the last hider alive. Find them. Oh. I wonder where they are. How can you... Yeah, how can you be high... Either it's a glitch or you've got a really good spot. I was feeling unsure, but now I'm begging for more. Did you see how many hiders are left? Yeah, it should. Wait, what? Potato King keeps getting found for some reason. It's something to do with the, like, it not making people hunters or something. I don't know. How? They can't be in this small of a spot. They must be, like, in a cave or something below us. Do hiders drown? I don't know. I think drowning damage is off. Appo's going into spectator. Yeah, you don't drown. You're up? What? This is crazy. Yeah, no, that is broken. I need to see for myself now. That's amazing. Yeah. That's fair. That's totally fair, right? Let's see the placement. That's great hiding spot. Well done. There's all the hiding spots. Oh, not hiding spots. Yeah, I'm just impressed. That's just really good. All right, we're gonna play again. Same spots, I guess. Because I can't be able to find a new spot. But you guys keep playing. I'm just gonna watch the console, okay?
Message to Owen and chat. It's been 3 months since I joined Juice Cafe. Time isn't real, and I honestly want to say thank you so much for being a really supportive community. I feel so loved and appreciated, and it has made a huge difference to me. Thank you, OGTV support.
Okay, I'm watching closely. The only thing I'm focused on is when an arrow is thrown. I don't know who's dying in the... so I'm dying. Yeah, that's it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Dang it. I looked away for 1 second. The concurrent modification exception is a common issue when modifying a collection like an array list when iterating over it. This is happening in your respawn runnable class, specifically at line 33. I might have fixed everything. Hold on. Okay, back to lobby. I think that's when things start falling apart. Okay, respawn runnable is a new thing that I've added. Line 33 is here. Oh, it removes it from the... Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So, private... Oh, wait, who's... How are they hitting each other? Oh, they're hitting the villager. Wait, what? No, they're not, are they? Oh. Right, I just need to cancel that as an event. Cancel hitting event in lobby because it's really annoying to hear that sound. Okay, private array list, player profile, players to remove from queue equals a new array list. Okay, at the beginning of every second, players to remove from queue gets emptied, and then players to remove from queue, we add in the player profile that we're currently looking at. And then for every player in players to remove from queue, players left to respawn, we remove that player. Sick. Nice. Okay, I really think that's going to work well now. Yep, I'll turn whitelist off now. Here you go. Slash whitelist off. You can now join. You've got
I
a
noticed
little
that
window.
villagers always look at hiders which would give them away, which would
Nothing
such
I
as a
can do.
hider.
Nothing I can do about that. Don't be near villagers, I guess, is all I can say. Is there a way to only assign hiders the block snapping ability? Hunters only have that block snapping ability because the game is breaking because of the respawn runnable, which we just fixed. That's at least my understanding. Whitelist on. That's what we're going to test now, at least. Also, I would strongly recommend everybody to not press shift when standing on a dirt block, a path block, or a mud block. To do so is to die at your own leisure. Okay, here we go. I'm staring intently at... Oh, I just did the thing that I said not to do. Okay, I'm watching closely. Everything's working so far. Still, everything's working fine. Okay, I'm now going to go get caught so I can check the shifting capabilities. Please. Please. Oh, fine, I'll find somebody else, Pandia. Okay, good. Oh, yeah, look, it is doing it. Okay, time to fix that. You guys keep playing. So, I need to check for is sneaking. Basically anywhere in the code. Where would that be happening? Is sneaking. That only happens in 2 spots. For props, which I wasn't anymore. And here. Player.teleport this if the player was sneaking. But this is only ran when... Okay, I'll look into that myself. To do, look into why this is being ran even after a player is caught. And it's not doing the thing where if you punch a block, nothing happens. Well, like, if you punch something that isn't XYZ, you know? Well, the whole point of the game is that you should be able to remove these things. Heard player interact. No, that's not it. It's else if I'm a hunter and I left clicked. I don't think I'm a hunter. I don't think it's put me as a hunter. Okay, I'll let you guys keep playing and then I'm going to have to kick you out so I can test something. Everybody apart from Apo and Luan, stay behind, please. Event.getPlayer.sendMessage text You are a hunter. Contains event.getPlayer. Do 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 beep pew. And let's make them 5-minute games as well. Do 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 do. Okay, what we got left? Man, some of these hiders are really, really good. Who's left is just 2 people. Oh. Wait, I needed to test that. That's why I TP'd to you. Could you not hit? I know, Pandia. I can't fix it. Well, I can, but I'm trying my hardest. I couldn't hit. Can't hit if inside something like seaweed. I might put... I mean, that's not going to be a problem because in an actual event settings, I just wouldn't have seaweed. You knew the way things were. You knew the way they would be. Okay, Rainbow Creeper's the last hunter alive. Or hider. Do 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 do. Alright, I'm TPing to them. We haven't got time. Oh. That's really good, to be fair. That's very much fair enough. Someone was definitely watching stream there, I feel. Alright, I need to test something real quick. Which is going to involve us playing that again. And I immediately need to be hit by Galaxy Purple Shadows. Thank you. I swear. Alright, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It ain't that big of a deal, it's fine. Okay, interesting. So it is correctly putting me into the right team. Whew. I can do this. I can fix this. It's going to be this, isn't it? It's going to be this. I bet it's not entering this bit. Okay. So hit cooldowns. If I haven't hit anything, when I become a hunter, I need my hit cooldown to be placed into this. Yes, that's it, isn't it? When somebody is made into a hunter, they don't get their hit cooldown replaced. So they never get a hit cooldown. I think that makes a lot of sense. Okay. Player caught event goes to here. Make player hunter. Hit cooldowns. Okay, cool. I need to search for that trigger. And I don't need it here. In fact, I'm so confident that that's it. I'm going to remove these other 3 lines. Okay. Really loving the ASMR in my right ear right now, guys. Thank you. Please hit me. Thank you. Yes! Oh, thank goodness. Okay, sick. And then enough time has passed. Wait. There we go. Why? Oh my gosh. I've just found a break. If you shift on top of a prop, it won't do shift properly if it's a shulker. I just found a workaround to my own code. That's so sad. Oh, bro. What if I just don't let... What if I just don't let hunters crouch? How do I make someone stop sneaking? Herd player move. If hunters dot contains this player, if event dot get player dot is sneaking, and the event dot they... I need to... Is there like a listener for someone sneaking? Hold on. I need to look this up. Where would this be? Main listener. Yeah, no more bending at the hip. It's not happening. Event handler, public, void, on player, shift, player sneak, player toggle sneak event. I think it's a thing. If event dot is sneaking, I think it is a thing. Okay, so now that I know that it might be a thing, toggle sneak event, herd player toggle sneak event. Herd player toggle sneak event. Thank you, Pandy. I will. This is going to be the last little bug I fix. Okay. And then we'll play a bunch of other silly games. The fun ones. Because this has quickly turned into a nightmare game. Nightmare. Not fun, not cool, very annoying. Who knew? You know what? The people who made Twitch Rivals, I have a newfound respect for you. This wasn't nearly as easy as I thought it was. Okay, so. If the player Hunters dot contains the player. If we'll just say if it is, then event.getPlayer.set sneaking is false. No sneaking for you. You don't get to sneak. Sorry, so sorry. Why did it just do that twice? Why did I just hear that noise twice? It shouldn't do that twice. Okay, I guess nothing odd. Yes, I will turn whitelist off. We're gonna do one more. Well, not just yet, because we're gonna do. Oh yeah, I gotta go back to lobby. Okay, Potato King, please kill me. That looks like you can still sneak. Hang on. That's not good. I don't want to be able to do that. Did it not work? If herd player toggle sneak event. Maybe it's only if I toggle sneak? Did you reload? I thought I did. I'll double check. I might not have reloaded. That's true. Hold on. Moonlit, please punch me. Okay. Let's check the console. Oh, whoa. Linked hash map. Oh god, I'm not gonna. All right, let's just play a different game. I relent. I relent. Dang, man, that game kicked my butt. The code won today, chat. Consider the code having won. Okay, I need a new song. Okay, what game want to play? Which game? Bulldog, Void Rising, One Shot. So I'm sure you'll fix it sometime. Yeah, I'll do it another time. It's the fact that it wasn't even anything to do with the sneaking. I was like, alright, well, in which case, forget about it. Wow, I can't believe One Shot's gonna win. Oh. Alright, well, I guess I'll flip a coin for it. Bulldog, One Shot. One Shot it is. Okay. Where should we do One Shot? Maybe in here. This would be kind of cool. Start One Shot. Oh, there go the leaves. Why didn't I die then? That was crazy. I got hit by the arrow too. Why did I just not die? Ah, drat. Why are you little? Why? Why? Wait. There was a... Oh. That's crazy. Whoa. Drat. Ow. Dang it. Dang. Got the 1 pixel of your shoulder there. How many hearts do you have? Sorry, Pandia. I saw you up there earlier. The mud makes it so much difficult. So much more difficult. Ow. Dang it. Ow. Oh, I'm definitely dead here. Oh. That person's gonna get that kill. No. There we go. Dang it. This is such calming music. J-Lad? What are you doing up here? Whew. Ow. Uh-oh. Dang it. Got cleaned up. Dang it. Okay, I'm on 9 hearts, I think. I thought there was someone above me. Dang it! Oh, I'm on 10 now. There's no way. Uh-oh. Yeah, not with this. I'll die in an instant. Yeah, there I go. I was a sitting duck. Man, mangrove makes this real tricky. Definitely balances the playing field a lot. How did I do points wise? Not bad. Okay, I believe Bulldog won out of the next. So we'll play that next, and then we'll do Void Rising last. Honestly, Bulldog in a mangrove biome would be kind of cool. Can we do cherry biome? Aren't cherry biomes just like normal trees? Oh, Alex is doing that thing. For our fave mobile viewer. Oh. Somebody spawns up in that tree. That's a big plus. Hey! Who won? Never, man, that would be silly. That would be crazy. Evil Alex. Well done, Evil Alex. It's me. I'm the favorite mobile viewer. Let's do Bulldog in here. Well, just because of this. What the heck is that about? That's crazy. Choosing location should also be seen as going back to lobby. Choose location also runs back to lobby. In the sense that it makes players not spectator anymore. Alright. I don't know why I was about to type that. For those that don't know, Bulldog, you have to get from one side to the other without getting caught. Simple as that. Why do we get locked to a block when crouching, by the way? You don't, do you? The crouching thing still works for me? What? Show me. TP corrupts den to me. What? How? That's not even... We're not even in a mini game. Heard player move. Did the second runnable not get cancelled? No, but it's every prop. Hang on. I might be cooking here. Hang on. Each prop teleport to owner is called from tick runnable, and in the mini game mini class, tick runnable isn't removed. That's why the hunters were snapping to blocks, because the tick runnable is still being ran. Cancel. Is it called cleanup? Okay. Respawn runnable, second runnable. Okay, where is it in Void Rising? No. Void Rising, Void runnable is absolutely a thing. And it's stopped here. Minigame cleanup. So in prop hunts minigame cleanup, if, and I can use this as a basis. Guys, can we stop punching each other, please? Thank you. Oh, okay. Clean up. Tick runnable. I should just make that a thing. Is tick runnable a thing? It is. I'll just make it a thing. Okay. Legal style of expression. Why? Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Remove that. Okay. If we now reload confirm and we do start prop hunt and then we do back to lobby, now try. It's fixed. Okay. That's great. That's so good. It doesn't fix the whole thing about pressing shift Maybe that's what was causing it in the first place. All props, please become hay bales. And then find a place to sit. Please hit me. Please hit me. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it was that. Unless, wait, did I place that one? I don't have to stop people from crouching anymore. I don't have to bother doing it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, this is so much better. I knew my code worked. It just was a little bit broken. Okay, I can just get rid of the toggle sneak situation. Hard player toggle sneak. I don't even want that to be a listener. I hate it. It's such a stupid listener. Why would I care if somebody toggles their sneak? Let them toggle their sneak if they want. I'm not going to tell anyone that they can't toggle their sneak. Hey, listen. What somebody does in the business of their own sneak in toggling situations is none of my business. Get rid of it. Get rid of it, man. I hate it. I hate it so much. Okay, that fixes a lot of the issues that I was having. In fact, that fixes pretty much every issue I was having with Prop Hunt. I think there's still a little bit of problems with it in the sense that... In fact, would you guys mind if we do another real quick test of Prop Hunt? Just to see if anything else pops up. Locate structure. Shulkers? What about them? Oh. Huh. Okay, I definitely need to kill all the shulkers in Prop Hunt when we do cleanup. Minigame cleanup. 4 prop in props. Prop dot kill prop. Let's test. I mean, right now, the best I can do is just kill all the shulkers. I'm glad you guys are you're having fun by being goofy. Okay, that rendered fine. I'm going to... Horrific sounds, so sad. Okay, we're going to locate a new structure. It's going to be a plains village. Okay. Ready, everyone? There's no hay, but there are pumpkin. Consider there are pumpkin. Okay, now I need to watch the console very closely. So far, it's working. It won't let me transform. It won't let me. It won't let me transform. No. Okay, so that error can happen. Dang it. No! No, it's doing it again! Well, it's sort of doing it. It's doing something similar. Basically, when you're a prop and you die, you get caught. Player caught event. It's not getting rid of the prop. Oh, of course, because it's not removing it from the list. So, get prop from prop dot. Can I like just, please, for the love of all that is mighty, stop. Okay. Prop equals. Can I just like remove props dot remove prop? Can I just do that? I think that will fix it. Because your prop is like an object that still exists. And so I think that's what's causing some issues. Okay. Let's try that one more time. Bro, I'm actually gonna lose my mind, man. It's just so simple. Just don't hit the dang bell. Like I'm getting sensory overload and you guys like hee hee hee. Okay. Watching another prop like run by. Oh man. Okay, that's fine. I fixed it. I did it, chat. Now you can no longer take a dirt path block path thingy mabob. Granted, there's still an error here, but I'll get to that one later. He says he'll fix it later and then immediately goes in and tries to think about how he could fix it now. If contains get attacked instance of if player caught event. I think I see. Okay. I'm iterating over props and that's a problem, I think. Because the shulker, we then do that. Okay, so I can do that. That's fine. So array list props to kill. Props to kill equals new array list. And then what we'll do is we'll do props to kill dot add, and then we'll add this prop. Yes, I fixed the hunter crouch issue situation. And now for prop in, props to kill. Why is someone taking a lot of damage? Oh, me. I am. I'm taking a lot of damage. And then I can do event. Cool. Do I want to do that actually? It doesn't need to be it can just be prop to kill. Equals null. And then I can say prop to kill equals prop. And then outside of this, I can say if prop to kill is not equal to null, then run this, where this says prop to kill. Sick. All right, that's another issue solved. Dang, man. We're destroying them. Do, 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 do. Did we win? Is it over? Did someone... Oh, of course. Players are joining late, and that's going to cause some real issues. Okay. One more time. Well, no, we can just assume that it works. Okay, we're going to play Bulldog now. Where should we play Bulldog? I think we should do it in a Badlands biome. Wooded Badlands biome. Let us play. Start Bulldog. Let me just reload. Okay. Whoa. Why are you taking that? Oh, you're on a cactus. Big wall. I might have found another bug. What's the other bug, mate? Who's the hunter? Is there a hunter? Did I forget to set a hunter? There's no hunter. Kill random player. I'm sorry if that was you, but what do catches do? Catch people. Just hit him. Hit him to catch him. Why not barrier block instead of big wall? Because big wall means that the catchers can't see where the hunters are. They can see their names, but we're going to change that eventually. So you can't like fox guard someone by like moving left and right to them. Bulldog. Abolish. What was the bug? So what was it? Instead of teleporting to middle, teleport them backwards a bit. You can clip under stairs. How do you mean? Oh, if you press shift while on a step. How do you know if you're a hunter? It'll tell you. You'll have like diamond tools. Oh, hi Pandia. Send you a screenshot. Thank you. Oh, I can still get hurt here? Wait, can I still take full damage and die if I'm safe? Make safe players invulnerable. We call it puppy guarding. Yeah, there's a lot of different names to it, I think. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. But yeah, shift on Thursday and unshift lets you clip into the block. Noted. I can think of a way to solve that. Presumably, Moonlit, if you die to a cactus, you die completely. Thank you so much, Luan. Like you get turned into a catcher if you die to the cactus, I believe. If someone wants to test that, that would be great. I don't want to because I want to keep playing. Thanks, Moonlit. You gain too much health back? Oh, okay. Oh, so you do. I'll just make you if you're safe and invulnerable player. Do, 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 do. Ah, dang it. I tried to place a block in front of me, but it didn't work. This is a tricky map. I don't think many of the people are going to survive this one. The cactus may not have killed you, Moonlit, but I will. What game is this? We're playing Bulldog right now. Who's been mining the green? Dang, did someone... Whoa! People made it across? That's very impressive. Do 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 do. Boo do 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 do. What's this? Ah, it's Luan. Hi, J-Lad. Leave me and my digging alone. I'm picking up my blocks. Okay. Does this mean that they just have to like build over? That didn't quite work the way I think you anticipated it would. Oh, Cam is unfocused. Hello, it's me. J-Lad won! Well done, J-Lad. How are you doing? How are things? How are you? We're about to play some Void Rising over in this little spot right here. Oh, there they go, into the void. Jumping off into the... What? Oh, for goodness sakes, when people leave, it does that thing again. Bulldog, if player leaves, game over is made to happen again. Stop, please. Okay, whitelist is off. Back to lobby. Come on with the rest of you. Whoa. Alright, let's do some Void Rising. Oh my gosh, I'm on half a heart. Yeah, you guys thought that there was no full damage, huh? There is. There very much is. Oh, I'm just going to get people complaining if I don't let them redo it. I'm going to have people being like, food! Food! Please give us food! Let's try that again. Everyone be very nice to me today. I've made these games for
Food
you.
and food, give me food.
I've been
please,
very
food
lovely and
/J.
done all the things I needed to do. Why have I got 1 experience level? I should probably reset everybody's experience level at the beginning of each game. Reset all players' experience at the start of each game. First time here. Hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah, no like jumping me and just like killing me with an axe immediately. That's sad when you do that. Don't do that to me. I'm worth more than that. At least like say, oh, and I challenge you to a fight, so I can like turn around and look at you and we can do that before we fight. Hello, Luan. Luan, this is my crafting table. We have to go and get blocks, Luan. We have to go and get stone and stuff. Come on. If you want to join me. There we go. Owen chat is so friendly. No, you just haven't gotten to know them yet. You'll learn in time. What's J-Lad doing? What's happening with J-Lad? So many mobs. None of these blocks are stone. All of this is Badlands. There we go. We're friendly. You are friendly. This is true. God, there's some real lag today on stream. We've got people being like, unless you guys are like tabbing out of the game and that's what's taking you so long. Yeah, I can't hear this soundtrack without thinking of outside. It's impossible. It infected my brain. Everything's mean. Thank you for the 11 months. You do get a trophy. Okay, that's something. That's another set of tools for Luan in case she forgets to make some. And now I'm going to start going down. Oh, a water cave. That's convenient. Maybe. Very exciting. Congratulations. Oh, I fell into another little ravine of sorts. I'll keep going down. Couple of mobs here. Nothing we can't handle. Oh, iron. Oh, someone made an explosion. Good. Okay, there we go. Okay, I should probably make some furnaces and such. And I'm gonna make more than what. Oh, it's so nice to be able to see, isn't it? See you later, bye. Hey, hello, Trashy Panda. Thank you for the raid. How's it going? How are we today? Do I not have enough wood? Uh-oh, I don't have enough wood to make a shield. That's not good. we go. Grab that. Maybe this grace period isn't long enough. There we go. Oh, a geode. That's fun. There's a creeper in that geode. That's not as fun. I can see someone's there. There we go. Huh. There we go. Wait, what? I broke that block. What? Okay, that was weird. That block just didn't break for some reason after I did it. Okay, I should probably get out of here, shouldn't I? Of course they can stay. The objective of this minigame is to kill other players and not die, as the void slowly devours the bottom of the world. Which is why we need to start going up. Which is easier said than done in a Badlands mountain. Oh, never mind. It's actually very easily done, apparently. It's getting to the point now where people are going to start killing other players for their loot, but people are being quite nice today. When I said that people needed to be nice, I meant more to me, not to each other. You can still kill each other. In fact, I encourage it. Yeah, it is fun. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun until it isn't, until you get jumped by someone. And then it's immediately less fun. Oh, or gravel. But if you have a torch, that's not so much of an issue. Our chat is so nice. I train them well. I don't think there'll be any wood on the surface, so I won't actually be able to make a shield, which is a bit upsetting. See you later, Trashy Panda. Thank you much for the raid. Bye, bye, bye. I got 3 blocks, which isn't enough for a shield. I should have thought about that before continuing. Will Owen, but stuck in a cave. Will Owen, but stuck in a cave. You can. That's fine. You got to get out of the cave. Oh. Vinny's fell from a high place. There was a lot of zombies nearby. Did somebody push you, Vinny? Were you shoved? Oh, okay. The void is perhaps closer to us than we originally anticipated. Oh, okay. There's fighting happening now. There's more. Oh, Luan! Oh. Hi, Luan. I picked that up. I'll give it back to you in a sec. I'm going to be streaming for just a little bit longer, but not much longer. I'm hoping you have another pickaxe. Why'd you have 2 crafting tables? Luan, we've got to get going. Luan? Oh, it sounds like there's fighting above. Let's see if we get immediately killed. I'm watching you. Luan, do you not have blocks? Okay. Okay, this is dangerous. Oh, this is bad. Luan, could I use your blocks as well? Can we go up in the same tower? Because I definitely don't have enough. Up we go. Oh, wow. That was way, way closer to us than I thought it was. That's crazy. I barely got out of there alive. I hadn't realized how quick it was rising. Bye, everybody down there. I died. That will happen, unfortunately. To all except one person. Dang, you have a lot of cobble, huh? Wow, okay, we're one of the first few here. That rarely ever happens. You had all those blocks? That's crazy. Oh my gosh, you scared me then. I thought you just fell off. Don't do that. That was horrible. How's your day? It's been alright, thank you. Yeah, I'm just taking in who's around us and who I need to watch out for. Do you want that? Okay, you don't want that. Want that? What? What do you want? I don't understand. Oh, you want me to make a shield? Here you go. Good. Now we're armored up. Oh, evil Alex is evil. Watch out. No spam. That's not gonna cut it, I'm afraid. I don't trust you. I very, very much don't trust you. Your name literally has the word evil in it. I also don't trust you, is David. We're next to two people that I routinely do not trust. Man, we need to assimilate. Okay. Here, guys, have some iron. Oh, or Luan. Here, have some iron. Or Luan, okay. I don't have the blocks to spare, I'm so sorry. We need to get more into the middle. Yeah, let's do what Luan's doing. I don't know if Pandia can be trusted, but we're about to find out. Whoa! That's why I don't trust this David, just for the record. In case someone's like, well, that doesn't seem fair. That's why. Because they're one of the few people that will target the streamer in the stream. What the heck? How did you do that? How did you do that? What happened that led to that happening? I don't know. How can you not know? Well, it's sort of resolved itself a little. But that's not good that that can happen. If anyone saw how that happened, I'd be very appreciative of finding out, because it's just dirt. Like, I don't know how that worked. It's not like somebody used water and lava to cobble cast or something. Just didn't break it. Dang, I was building up and the void got to me. That's crazy. I don't know how that happened. Well done. Just gonna say Pandia always wins these, just in case anyone's he's won the last two in a row that we've done of these. Okay, or you can attack it. Oh, oh, no. Oh! Oh, it's not over. Luann, it's not over. Nope. That was scary. Is it going to be enough to get her enough points? Let's see. Oh, it was! That's sick. Oh, she wanted to die. Oh, there she goes. Wow, Luann, well done. Easy, easy. All right, that's going to be us for today. Huh, that doesn't usually happen. Okay. That's not a big feat, Wilson. That's not a particularly hard thing to do. All right, thank you very much for joining me, everybody. I will see you all on Monday. Monday stream. I'll see you. We'll have a good weekend. We're gonna raid into Rendog. Actually, that's only that's subs only. So maybe perhaps not. Let's raid into Linksy. Why not? Thank you for joining me on this little testing journey. I will see you all on Monday. All right, catch you later. Bye.
Owen, it's a big feat to me.